In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Zoho Social. By the end, you'll have your Instagram profile linked so you can schedule posts, track performance, and manage conversations all in one place. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Zoho Social website. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right, and click it. On the Sign In screen, choose the option to continue with Google if that's how you normally log in. I'm using Google for this walkthrough, but if you use another sign-in method, that works too. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account associated with your Zoho social workspace and complete the login. If you're prompted to grant access, go ahead and confirm. Once you're in Zoho Social, look for the settings area. You'll typically see a gear icon that opens your brand settings. Click that to open the settings panel. Inside settings, find the section called Social Channels. This is where you manage all your connected profiles. Now choose the option to connect an Instagram profile. Zoho Social will show a short explanation of what's about to happen. Click Proceed to move forward. At this point, you'll be redirected to Instagram's secure login and permissions flow. The screens you see can vary a bit depending on your account, but the process is straightforward. Log into Instagram when prompted, then review the requested permissions carefully. Zoho Social needs these permissions to publish content, read insights, and help you manage comments and messages. Click Allow or continue to grant the access. If your browser asks to open a pop-up or a new window, make sure pop-ups are allowed for Zoho Social so the connection can complete. After you approve everything, you'll be sent back to Zoho Social automatically. Give it a moment to finalize the setup. You should then see your Instagram profile listed under social channels, confirming it's connected and ready to use. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signing in with the correct Google account connected to your Zoho subscription. Have your Instagram login details handy before you start, and keep two-factor authentication codes nearby if you use them. If you don't see the permissions screen, try disabling strict pop-up blockers just for this site while connecting. And if the page looks a little different on your end, don't worry, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen prompts and choose the options that confirm access. That's it. You've connected your Instagram profile to Zoho Social and you're ready to start planning and publishing your content.